Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing another video on the Bitcoin price, of course, and show you what type of interesting things I've been seeing in the charts. And right now we're not starting on the weekly. We've done that a lot of times already. I'm going to start on the daily. We've seen some very interesting upwards momentum in the Bitcoin price since January 1st, I guess. Since the new year started, we've been in an uptrend, which is very nice to see, of course. And we've seen altcoins going up as well. After this huge breakdown right here, you can see that the bears were in control. We've gone up the stairs and down with the elevator. That's what I like to call it. And after that, the massive drop we've seen, that's how I read candles. You can see that the bulls were trying to fight back right here, of course, and then the bears were fighting again. And you can see that they we're having a lot of back and forth going between the bears and the bulls. But you can see right here is that the bears lacked strength in order to suppress the price, I guess. And that's what you can see for the immediate short term, I guess, is that we've been creating, or the bulls have been creating higher lows, and that might suggest that the bears are a little out of steam, right? So that could be more likely, although percentage-wise this pattern is more likely to break down because of this lack of strength of the bears. I guess I do believe that we will go to the upside. We had an attempt yesterday to break out of this horizontal triangle, but we got rejected. And right now we are trying it again. We had another go in the last couple of hours, and not breaking through yet. We don't. Let me check in the volume, set up the volume for you guys right here. You can see that volume from the bears was high, and you can see right now that volume is declining, price is rising, which is a little concerning. So those are a little bit contradictory, I guess. I know, but that's how I see. We had this large drop, but then the bears didn't quite succeed in getting us further back down. So that's good news for the Bitcoin price and for the Bitcoin bulls like I am. And what you can also see that the contradiction is that volume is declining, although one could argue that we are now basically breaking out of this downtrend in volume, and with a green candle. So that's looking quite good. We just have to wait. This pattern seems valid, and I'm going to stand by it because the trend lines are respected. And we'll just have to wait and see. What could happen is that we could go down and maybe eventually get to the apex right here, or at least 70% of the pattern is fulfilled. So I do believe that this is a valid pattern, and we'll just have to wait in a couple of next couple of days, or the apex is on Tuesday 24th. But we will see a breakout before that, of course. But this is a valid pattern, and I'm standing by it. And this is a tradable event, and you can either wait for the breakout, a retest, and hold, because you can see it's been rejected here as well, and here as well, and right now as well. But if we break out, retest as support, then you could put in a long position because of the breakout would be in approximately 14% increase. So yeah, that's quite interesting. 14% of 1,000 is 140 dollars. If you do this with 10K, then you get $1,400. It could be very interesting, of course. I don't know. I don't have to explain you how trading works, I guess. So that's it for the daily. This pattern is, oh, I didn't mean to do that. I still thought I was in brush mode, but this pattern is valid. And yeah, although there are some signs that we are likely to go up, we'll just have to wait and see and prepare for both sessions, I guess. So let me let me just remove these. Oh, that was not how I wanted it to go. I'll just remove these drawings right now because this is the 4 hourly chart. You can see the MACD is losing a little bit of momentum. The histogram is touching the blue line is touching the orange line. If it gets rejected or the blue line crosses the orange line, then yeah, we'll likely see some retracement on the 4 hourly at least. So here, right here, you can see that we got rejected by that same line on the daily as well. So it is a very valid pattern. We are at the upside right now. What definitely could happen is that this won't get red and we'll see another green wave and then we'll break out and then we'll eventually hit to the first barrier, which is the 19.2K. You can see this right here as well. If after we break out of this volume range is quite open, so we don't need a lot of volume to get towards this 19.2K again. If that happens, then yeah, we have to watch what happens because this 19.2K is a very big level, as you can see right here as well, that is previous support and could surely act as resistance. Let's look at the Dixie because yeah, that was the moment that we thought would come, did exactly come. You can let me zoom in because yeah, it bounced exactly off of this line, which is very interesting. And yeah, it bounced and took another go at it today, but bounced as well. And now we see some little green, but also the yeah, the histogram and the MACD is also declining. So I do think that the although coming into a continuation pattern from the way on the way down, it is more likely that we go down. But every sign to me screams that we will go up, and I might be wrong, but that's what the signs say. I'm not betting on it because I'm preparing, and we are preparing. I'm preparing you as well on not making any mistakes and not losing any money. So we are waiting for a breakout and a confirmation. And if that is met, then we can go in a long position. And if it goes the other way around and I'm proven wrong, then we can go in a short position as well. So it can go both ways. But the Dixie or the dollar index was yeah, at this same level again, and yeah, it dropped. It retested here, and the importance of this blue line is shown right here because yeah, it's a very important level. So if you are on my Discord or on our Discord channel as well, then you would have seen that I've swapped some Ethereum for Bitcoin. And the reason is that this is the Bitcoin versus Ethereum chart, which measures how strong Bitcoin is versus Ethereum and the other way around. And yeah, if you can see right here, we've been in this green, this is a historical green zone. You can see that yeah, we are getting supported by this green box. And yeah, that's basically the reason why I think Bitcoin will do better than Ethereum compared to Bitcoin will do better than Ethereum compared to Ethereum. So that's what I believe, and that's why I've yeah, swapped some Ethereums for Bitcoin in hopes that they yeah, that they will earn me more than Ethereum will, of course. So I definitely swap this more often, and I've done this somewhere right here as well. I guess I've shown you in yeah, several videos ago. So yeah, well, that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for your attention. If you enjoyed the videos, please leave a like. I would appreciate that. But yeah, this pattern is still valid. I am expecting a breakout to the upside, although the odds are against it. But I think the Dixie and this pattern and the 4 hourly as well, I do believe we will go to the upside. If we do, then I will notify you guys on the Discord. If you're not subscribed to the Discord, please consider doing so, because we leave yeah, trading signals with a timely manner there. And I only do the videos once a week right now. So well, this was it for today. Hope you had a nice and you learned something, and you hope you'll have a nice day. Thanks so much. Bye.